Hello guys. Kanta tayo. If you walk away from me today, I am sure that who you were going through will feel the way as I do. Baby, it's you who fills up my life. And if you walk away from me today, wouldn't change a thing, I'd still be singing celebrations of you. Baby, you do, you fill up my life, fill my life till now. No one's been able to show me how to fill my life like you. You are the one who taught me to. And if you walk away from me today, never to return until the journey that you made had ended. I know you planned it just to fill up my life, fill my life. Now I know what it feels like to overflow until my life is through. All I'm here for is here for you, just for you, only for you. Thank you guys. Enjoy lang po tayo.